Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable support banner on Linktree account. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Linktree application on your mobile device. Here we go. Now once you are here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now just at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the option of More. Tap on that option. With that, you'll come to this page. Now, just under Linktree settings, you can see the option of Support Banner. Tap on that option. Now, once you are here on this page, you can see certain details regarding the support banner. And in case if you enable support banner, a banner will be displayed on your profile. Also, only one banner can be activated at a time. Now, just at the bottom, you can see support the cause and the toggle is turned off. Now, simply turn on this toggle. Like this. Now you have been able to turn on this support banner. You can also tap on the option of Learn more about the cause in order to know more details. Or you can also tap on the question mark icon at the top right corner of your screen to know more details. So that's how simple these steps are. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.